Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're checking out the seat covers in this Can-Am Defender. Midnight Croc for the insert, Java Croc for the trim. Super awesome looking set. We're gonna walk you through it, show you how it fit on. And we also have an install video that you can check out as well to see how to put all these seat covers on. But right now, we're gonna check out the finished look. Let's do this. So let's check these covers out. Inside here, again, is the Midnight Croc as the insert fabric choice here, and then Java Croc for the trim. Super cool combo. You get this kind of darker brown here, and then this black, and there's a lot of blacks and browns inside here already, as well as the original seats were a black and brown. So we're kind of keeping with the same theme going on. And again, just a killer combo. Love this combo. Done this multiple times, a lot of Defenders we've done this on, and just looks sweet. Now, this is the larger bolstered seats. This is a higher level model. This is the Lone Star Edition, and the XMRs and the higher models, a lot of the 22s are coming out with these larger bolsters. So you can see how this comes up a little bit higher on this section right here compared to the older Defenders and some of the lower end models. They're just standard. We call them the standard seats, kind of these more flat seats. Now, we have seat covers for both. So if you have the other one, no worries, we have that to fit. But if you have the larger bolstered seats like this on this Lone Star or the higher level model, that's this Fitment. So you're gonna need to make sure you choose that when you're ordering these. You gotta let us know which trim level you have, and it's gonna help you choose which seat covers are gonna fit best. Now, both the Midnight Croc and the Java Croc, these are both made from a simulated leather material. Super easy to clean. That's what I love most about the simulated leather. Not only is it a really cool look, but super easy to maintain. Just wipe this off with a damp cloth. If these ever get dirty, dust, mud, dogs jumping in here, no problem. Just take a cloth, wipe them off, get it a little wet if you need to. You could also spray these down with the hose. Take the hose in here, spray this off. No problem. Easy to clean, easy to wipe up. Gonna be looking really nice for all your adventures in the outdoors. Now let's move over and look at the 20 section. So these seats, we call them 40, 20, 40 seats. The outsides are the 40s, middle section is the 20. And we're gonna fold this 20 down so you can see that it still folds and functions just how it should. So that's gonna be able to come down. You have your cup holders there, your little storage section right there. So that's all covered around here. Now there is an elastic around here to kind of hold that up tight against the seat right there. And we do have an install video to show you, again, all the different steps on how to put this on, so don't worry about that. Now that'll go back up there. Now this also folds up, this 20 section folds up like that. Now there's still a separate cover for that, and there's straps and buckles underneath that go up to cinch that up nice and tight, and there's a drawstring around the outside. All of the bottoms are gonna have this same drawstring and strap to buckle method. And that's gonna keep these covers on nice and tight so they're not slipping around. And so you can see, you know, if I was to move my hands on here and try to shift these around, I mean, this is like a new skin on these. It's really nice and tight. Dog's gonna jump, you know, your dog's gonna jump in here, kids are gonna be in here, no problem. They're gonna stay nice and tight to the seats. It's almost like a new skin. I really love, again, loving this gator skin. We call it Croc. So Java Croc, Midnight Croc. And there's other colors too you could check out. We have some red Croc, and you know, there's some gray Crocs as well. So check those out on the site. Now, let's move to the back row because I want to show you the headrests. Okay, showing you the back row. Again, this was the crew cab, so it's available for both the front and rear rows if you have the crew cab. Or if you just have the fronts, you can just do the fronts as well. That's fine. Now, here's the backrest right here. Same thing, Midnight Croc and Java Croc trim. Super nice, matching up with the front row. If you have the crew cab, you gotta do both. It just looks so much better. You're gonna get the front seats if you have the crew cab. If you decide just to do the fronts only, you're gonna get the front seats installed and you're gonna be like, I wish I did the back seats. You gotta get the front and back at the same time. It looks way better and just nice to have it all matching. Now, here are the headrest covers. So you can see the headrest covers are made out of whatever choice trim you choose. So your middle 20 section, and then your headrest will be made out of your trim choice. So in this particular set of seat covers, it was the Java Croc was the trim. So the brown Croc was the trim. And so that means the headrest and that middle 20 section were made out of the Java Croc. You can see that's nice, trimmed out, looks really nice on there. Now you could do headrest logos as well. So if you want to do a wildlife logo or an American flag logo sewn on here to the headrest, check those out as a custom option as well for your headrest, because that also looks really nice. I also want to talk to you about some other custom options that you could do, and that is the front pockets. So we have the option for a front pistol pocket, which is a removable pistol pocket that would be sewn on the front side right here. This set of seat covers, we didn't do any pockets on, so you can see what it looks like without pockets, like that. But if you do decide to do pockets, they would hang down right here. And there's the pistol pocket, the removable pistol pocket, or the sewn on MOLLE pocket. You can use them both for pistol storage, but the MOLLE pocket has more storage capability. You can have flashlights, knives, all kinds of gear inside the MOLLE pocket. The pistol pocket's really designed just for a pistol, and there's 2 magazine slots on the sides. It's velour padded, and because of the velour padding, it limits you to really just using it for a pistol. But the MOLLE pocket, again, is a great choice as well. So if you choose to have pockets, they'd be sewn on the front side on the driver and or passenger sides, and we can do those on the rear seats as well. On the rear seats, we can do front MOLLE pockets if you decide to do pockets. Looking at this 20 section again right here, this is all one color. So both the middle section and trim are all one color. So take note of that when you're placing your order, that whatever trim choice you choose, so this was the Java Croc, the whole cover, the whole middle cover, both the middle section and trim section are all gonna be that trim choice of fabric, all one color there, okay? So unlike, some other covers that we've done in trucks, things like that, they can be two-tone there for the middle section, but this one right here is all one color, and that actually is standard for 40-20-40s on a truck. The same thing would happen. The middle 20 section would all be one color, not a two-tone. So just pointing that out. Just showing you that the passenger backrests and also on the crew cab, the 2 backrests here will pop off, and you can see the back side here. This is how it fits with the straps to buckles right there, okay? And here's the hook down below to get it back on, and these pins push in right there. So that's the back side right there. This all comes around, finishes out really nice. I'm gonna get this back on here. Okay guys, awesome looking set. Java Croc, Midnight Croc. Think about it for your Can-Am Defender. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, side-by-sides, SUVs, cars, the whole lineup. If you want to get yours ordered, go to coversandcamo.com. Let's do this. Thanks.